Hey guys, today's Insight of the Day is for you runners out there, not exclusively, but this will definitely help you guys. So in Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, there's three representational systems: the visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, which is feeling. And they all have different neural pathways. Now, the way we position our eyes affects which system we're accessing at any one time. So during the kinesthetic, a lot of times our eyes will be downward. So if you're running and you're downward and your eyes are downward into the kinesthetic system, you're gonna feel that discomfort, especially you marathon runners. And if you can shift into the visual system, you will shift out of the kinesthetic system, and that feeling, that intense feeling of being tired and wearing out and on your muscles will start to diminish just by shifting from the kinesthetic up into the visual system, by shifting your eyes up when you run. That's why when we do a fire walk at Unleash the Power Within, Tony has you shift your eyes from being down on the coals to up, because you're also changing the system you're accessing.